Search. Command prompt. Run as administrator. Increase size. RAM speed test. winsat. Memory. Wait a moment. Complete. 139.53. Next HDD speed test. Disk. Drive. C is the wild card for a partition on the hard drive. Wait for the test. Disk read. Disk write. The above is how to check hard drive and memory speed using only the command window. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.